Hi Fathom, my name is Chelsea Allard. I am a Midwest native from Michigan. I've been in the Bay Area for about 3 years now. Since moving here, I've been working at Clarabridge, which is a customer experience SaaS company. What they do is they create platforms for companies of all industries to use to collect and consolidate customer feedback data for purposes of making it more actionable. I've gained some good experience here. I've learned a lot, but it's much more technical than I'd like to be. I see myself in a much more creative and people-focused role, which is exactly why I applied for the office coordinator role at Fathom. I believe this role is exactly what I'm looking for. It has lots of varied tasks from day to day, lots of interactions with coworkers and external contacts, clients, visitors, maybe candidates for new roles. It also includes some internal event planning, which I'm excited about. I've had a good amount of experience in roles where multitasking was essential, and I believe that will be an important quality to have when holding this role. I think I've learned to manage multitasking pretty well through good organization and good communication. Before applying to this position, I didn't really know too much about 3D printing. I'm sure I still have a lot to learn, but from what I read, 3D printing is really cool and definitely very creative. I understand Fathom has been very successful over the years, definitely more than most other 3D companies in the nation, and specifically in the Bay Area. When researching Fathom, I was really impressed with the level of detail and descriptions posted on the website about the printing processes and techniques and technologies used. Both fused deposition modeling and polyjet technology are really amazing and seemingly advanced. It feels like something that you'd see in a movie about the future. It's very interesting. In addition to the Fathom website, I also referenced Stratasys website to learn more about the technology. It makes a lot of sense to me that the FDM printer works on an X and Y axis, and once the first layer is complete, the tray moves vertically on a Z axis, which creates layers from the bottom up. The designs that come from these printers can withstand all kinds of environments because this technology uses the same thermoplastics found in traditional manufacturing processes. This is something that makes it super cool because designs and shapes that were once considered too difficult in those traditional manufacturing processes are now possible because of this technology. The printing process that polyjet printers use is similar to your typical inkjet printers, the ones that we're used to using and have been using for years. It drops layers of liquid photopolymer on a build tray that cures under UV light after each swipe of the printing arm. I'm sure that's not the technical term, but I use that because it's the best way for me to explain how I understand the process. Then before you know it, you have a ready-to-use model or prototype right in front of you. This is incredibly efficient, and the process can use a variety of multiple different materials, making it more versatile than any other technology on the market. In regards to this position specifically, I love that it's much more creative and people exposed than I am in my current role. I have some experience planning events for big and small groups, and I try to always be as accommodating and empathetic as possible, which should really help me succeed in this office manager role. I am very eager and excited to meet with you all and learn more about the company. I would love to help grow the team and be able to grow with the team. Thank you for this opportunity, and I'm really looking forward to the next steps in the process.